Let's try Supergoop's SPF Bestsellers. So I have here the starter kit. It has 3 kinds. It has the Unseen Sunscreen, Glow Screen, and Everyday Lotion. So let's open it together. So here they are. So since this is a starter kit, these are all, I think, mini sizes. And the Glow Screen and the Unseen Sunscreen can be used as primer. So this one would be illuminating and this one would be invisible. And this would be like your everyday lotion. So let's try them. Let's start with Unseen Sunscreen. So this one is SPF 40 and it's water and sweat resistant. So this one is chemical sunscreen and no synthetic fragrance and vegan. So let's open it. Okay, so I'm gonna put like one sunscreen at each side. So one finger lang. Okay, oh, texture. It's like a gel type. So let's put this on this side of my face. Okay. All right, you can see it right here. Oh, texture is quite nice. It's very smooth on your skin, and it's really invisible. Oh, it's really nice. I like this. It's very smooth on your skin. Texture is really primer, and it's not sticky at all. Plus, true to its promise that it's invisible and no white cast. Here it is. Okay, let's move to the next sunscreen. Next would be the Glow Screen. So this one is also SPF 40. So there's no water and sweat resistant label, so I guess this is not sweat resistant. And it's also chemical sunscreen, no synthetic fragrance, and vegan. Okay, let's do it. So also one finger. Oops, it's still sealed. Let's just quickly open this one. Let's do one finger as well. Oh, it's tinted, guys. See, can you see that? I guess that's why it says glow. So let's put it on this side of my face. Okay. Alright, so just right before I spread it, it's tinted. Okay. Okay. You can see the glow right away. That's quite nice. It's really nice. Ooh. Put some on. I don't know if I should put that on anyway on my eyelids, but wow, it's really glowing. You can see the difference. It's nice. Okay. So this one is the Unseen Sunscreen. You can see it right away. It's smooth on your face and then there's no shine or anything. It's just sunscreen primer that you can use if you want just your normal makeup without any glow yet. And then this one, you can see the glow. Oh wow. And both of these are primers, so you can use it right before your makeup. Can you see it? So, okay. I like them both. It depends on how you want your makeup for that day. Probably on glowy, dewy makeup, I'm gonna use this one and this one for my daily look. So if you want a more matte effect, you can put a matte makeup. But yeah, I like it. I understand now why Supergoop is so popular. But it's kind of like on the pricier side, but I think should be worth it. Let's try the lotion next. So this is Supergoop Play and this is SPF 50. So this is for your body and it's also wet and water resistant for 18 minutes. And it's also a chemical sunscreen and again vegan, so it's almost the same. So I'm gonna put it here so just you could see the effect. So just a bit since we're just trying it out. So this is the texture. It's just your typical sunscreen, right? And then just blend it. Okay, so okay, no white cast. Blend it right away. There's not any sticky feeling. It's not, oh wait, there's a bit of sticky feeling just like your typical lotion, and there's a bit of like glow but not shiny. You can smell the sunflower extract actually on that one. So yeah, that's it. It's nice. And overall, I like it, but I'm not sure if I could probably like buy and replenish every time because I think it's on the pricier side. But if you're gonna use it as a primer, I think it should be okay. But I'll probably use this more a lot because I'm oily skin, so probably not into like glowy makeup every day. It depends on the occasion, but overall I like it, and yeah, it's really nice.